Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make text square in Photoshop. Let's begin. Click the text layer, right click on your mouse, type horizontal tool, text color black, text size example 18, text style. Okay, then hold shift, click and drag it for. Then I already copy this text. You already copy this text, select first of all, click and drag it for select text, then press Ctrl C for copy, then press Ctrl V for this paste. Okay, hold shift, click and drag it, hold shift, click and drag it for this size. Double click the text layer, increase the size. Okay, then I already, you don't fit this text, simply click the paragraph, then show this character and print paragraph, click for this tool. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.